Twist is a very great protective hairstyle and can promote the growth of your natural hair. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how twist can help you in the growth of your natural hair and also help you to retain as much length as possible. Let's jump right into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning into my channel, please do make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and turn on your post notification bell so that each time I post a video, you'll be notified. One of the ways in which twist can help you to grow your natural hair is number one, reduced manipulation. So what this means, or what I mean by reduced manipulation, is that twist helps you to reduce the number of times you go in your hair, like styling, manipulating your hair, because at every point in time that your hands are on your hair, there's every tendency for you to break your hair. So if you are styling your hair every day, you can have that breakage every single day. And of course, there's no how you're going to be able to retain length. So twist helps you to keep your hair in place, at least give it some couple of days or weeks before you are able to, maybe retwist or something like that. One way in which you can break your hair more is that if you style your hair every single day and you comb your hair every single day, of course you're going to be breaking your hair. So by twisting your hair is a method of like leaving your hair alone. Even though you're going to be moisturizing in between, you're still leaving your hair alone. You're allowing your hair to rest and grow without frequent manipulation or touching of your hair. Number two will be protection. Twist protects your hair. It provides a protective barrier to your ends, which are the oldest and most fragile parts of your hair. So when your ends are tucked away in twist, they are less likely to be exposed to environmental damage or even break at all. And when they are well moisturized as well, definitely, trust me guys, your ends are going to be intact, allowing your hair to retain length. Number three will be moisture retention. Twist helps to retain moisture. I don't know exactly how this works, guys, but I don't know the science behind that, but it does work. Twist can help your hair seal in moisture. So when your hair is twisted and your strands of the twist are together, it's sort of creating a barrier that helps you to retain moisture. So this can also help you to prevent dryness and breakage. So another thing I want to talk about is length retention. Twist can help you to retain a lot of length, because as you put your hair in twist or braids or whatever protective style that you're doing, you hide the ends of your hair. This is helping you to prevent the occurrence of knots, tangles, and that will eventually lead to breakage and even split ends. Twist helps you to keep your hair controlled, to prevent your hair from tangling. Imagine you just wash your hair and you just left your hair just like that. You're not putting it in twist, you're not putting it in braids, you just leave your hair like that. Of course, your ends are going to dry out. Even if you moisturize your hair, you can't just expose your hair just like that. At least from my own experience, I hardly wear my hair out, so my hair is always in twist. 99% of the time my hair is in twist. So but keeping your hair in twist, it helps control the movement of your hair. Your hair is not flying all around the place, and it's also preventing your hair from tangling with each other, or even grabbing on any external factors like maybe your clothing, the hairs from your clothing. It's keeping your hair in a organized and controlled manner. So this can also minimize the need for detangling every now and then. You just twisted your hair, you're keeping it for a while. You don't need to be combing your hair every day. But when your hair is out, of course, by the time you wake up in the next day, you are tempted to go in there and comb your hair. And that frequent combing of the hair is what usually causes breakage most of the time. So you don't need to detangle your hair when your hair is in twist. You just allow your hair to retain its length, to grow naturally, and just do what it needs to do. Then another thing twist does, or how twist can help you grow your hair, is twist helps you to really easily maintain your hair. The moment you have twists on your hair, it's easy to assess your scalp. It's easy to even wash your hair, your scalp. It's easy to moisturize your scalp, massage your scalp once in a while, maintain moisture by adding more moisture to your hair. It is like easy access to your hair. Unlike hairstyles like cornrows, I've never been a fan of cornrows because you don't access much of your scalp, just the area where you have partitioned. But twist, you can go in your scalp any day, anytime, and you're just going to be good. So easy access helping you to better care for your hair. Even if you want to wash your hair in twist, you want to deep condition in twist, you want to moisturize your hair in twist, whatever it is you want to do, whatever process, your routine is definitely covered because you can do that in mini twists and your hair will just be flourishing. So remember that while twists can help you promote hair growth, it's also important to maintain a healthy hair care routine as well. This includes things like cleansing your hair, moisturizing your hair, deep conditioning your hair, as well as having good diet, because definitely it doesn't matter what you do on the outside, once your inside is not well taken care of, it's going to show out. So maintain a healthy lifestyle as well and be mindful of tension, because tension can also be a culprit to hair breakage. And also apply your products, your moisturizers, your leave-in conditioners. Apply them properly so that your hair can receive the full benefit even while in your twist. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also drop your comments. If you have questions, guys, drop it in the comment section. Or something you want to add, something that I missed, or your different opinions, drop them in the comment section. I'll be there to reply your questions and interact with you guys. So till I come your way in my next video, bye.